exercise 3.2. Now first question, first part is, the question is 8 to the power, find the value of 8 to the power 2 by 3. Now here the power or exponent is in fraction, so we'll see the denominator is 3. So we'll try to raise the base to the power of 3. So 8, when we factorize, prime factorize, 8 can be written as 2 cube. This 8 can be written as 2 cube to the power 2 by 3. Now, by the third law of exponent, power on power gets multiplied. So exponent into exponent, this gets multiplied. This gives us 2 square, that is 4. So the answer is 4. Now let us see third question here. The question is minus 9 to the power minus 2. Always you have to change the exponent to positive. So we can write this as 1 upon minus 9 square, and this gives us minus 9 into minus 9 is 1 upon 81. Now similarly any question we can do. Say for example question 7. In this 1 by 4 to the power minus 3 by 2. So change into positive exponent, we can write it as 4 to the power 3 by 2. Now the denominator of the exponent is 2. So we can write this as 2 square to the power 3 by 2. So this gives us 2 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. And this 2 get cancelled. 2 cube, that is 8. So the answer is 8. So this way you can solve the other questions in homework. Now we'll see question 2. Now the question 2 is saying evaluate x to the power 1 by 3 into x to the power 2 by 3. So when base same, power will be added according to the first law of exponent. So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. This gives us x to the power 1 plus 2 by 3. So x to the power 3 by 3 is get cancelled. So x to the power 1 or x. This is the final answer. Now let us see the third question. And the third question, the question is 32 to the power 1 by 5 to the power minus 2 plus 4. Now in this question, first we'll solve inside the bracket. 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5 to the power 1 by 5, and then we can keep minus 2 power plus 4. So this 5 and 5 get cancelled, and outside that is the exponent is minus 2 plus 4. So it gives us 2 to the power minus 2 plus 4. That is 1 upon 2 square plus 4. So this gives us 1 by 4 plus 4. And if you take LCM, this becomes 1 plus 16 by 4. That is 17 by 4. Okay. So this was an important question. Similarly, you can solve the fourth question. Now we will see question number 5. Now in question 5, the question is 10 minus 8 to the power 1 by 3. So 10, this can be written as 2 cube into 1 by 3. So 10 minus 2, 3 and 1 by 3 get cancelled. So 10 minus 2, that is 8. 8 is the answer. And question 6, here 1 by 64 to the power minus half. So we can change into positive exponent, 64 to the power half. Now this is 2 to the power 64, prime factorize 64 to the power half, that is this 6 and half get cancelled. So 2 cube, and this gives us 8. So 8 is the answer. And the last one, 7th, Here 4 to the power minus half into 2 to the power 1 and half. So 4 to the power minus half can be written as 2 square to the power minus half, and this is 2 to the power 3 by 2. So this can be written as this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So 2 to the power minus 1 and 2 to the power 3 by 2. So base same power add. So this gives us 3 by 2 minus 1. So this gives us 2 to the power 3 minus 2 by 2. That is 2 to the power half. We can write it as root 2. So this is the answer. Wonderful.